Hello everyone and welcome back to another space video, and today we are going to be throwing a bunch of moons at the Earth. So as you can see, we just have one moon orbiting around the Earth this is actually where the moon orbits around the Earth. So we're going to go to its orbital period here and shrink it down, and that's going to start the whole moon Earth thing. Okay. So I'm going to have this on your side of the screen. So you see now the moon's orbit is getting a lot smaller. So the moon's orbit is getting really, really close to Earth. So the moon is now much, much closer to Earth than it should be. As you can see, it's actually really close. Some people might think this is how far away the moon is in real life, but it's not. It's a lot farther than that. But we're gonna still keep decreasing it, slowly but surely. And now the moon is extremely close to Earth, so close that it just tore some of the material off of the moon. Now none of it is really hitting Earth yet, but now the moon is tiny. It's a little micro object. And now all of the moons in the solar system are mad at Earth because it just tore one of their friends apart. So the moon keeps getting closer to Earth before slamming into it. And now Earth has a little fragment moon. Center in on Earth, please. Oh well. Okay, it is centered on Earth. So now, whoopsie, hang on. So now, the first one to arrive is Titan. So we're gonna launch Titan at Earth. So Titan is now hurtling toward Earth. So Titan is the first to arrive and try to get rid of Earth. So it should hit it. So Titan is now getting really close, and it's going to hit Earth any second. It just hit Earth, and now Earth is really fiery. The next one to arrive is Europa, and as you know, Europa has some water on it, so maybe that'll cool Earth down a little bit. Europa hits Earth, and it just makes it even fierier. And Earth still has its fragment moon. The next two arrive are Io. I didn't want to put it down there, which misses. Or is it going to miss? Wait, is Earth going to have Io as a moon, or is Io just doing it's going to hit it? Wait, what? Io bounced off of Earth, and now it's in this orbit. So then Ganymede comes, which is the largest moon in the solar system. Did Earth just break apart? Wait, no, that was Io. So Ganymede comes along and crashes into the Earth, making it even hotter. And then Callisto and I didn't want to put it down there. And then there's Mimas. So Mimas hits Earth, and then Callisto is just kind of coming from under, kind of like Io did. Mimas is actually really tiny. How about Charon, the moon of Pluto? So now Earth is not looking so good. All fiery. And now Charon is heading toward Earth. And now, for some reason, there's another moon that's coming toward Earth. Our moon. So that moon hit Earth. And now Phobos and Deimos, the tiny little asteroid moons of Mars, are getting their share on hitting Earth. And we already did Europa, we did Mimas, and now Enceladus, which also has water. Dione. Rhea. Apatis? I think. Oopsie. We did Charon. Tethys, or whatever it is. And then the Maka and Halaka, or however you pronounce it. So now we're going to launch this at Earth. And now Earth is just this really big fireball. And now a bunch of random small moons start heading toward Earth. That one's spinning really fast. So then a bunch of random moons come at Earth. And then the planets start to get in on it. So Mars decides to hit Earth because it wants Phobos and Deimos back. So now Earth has just been hit so hard, or it's vaporizing, I'm not sure. So now Earth is shrinking down, and I think it's gone. So now we're just on its little fragment moon, which is also going to get hit by Mars. Wait, is it in Mars? Oh well, just launch another Mars. Mars. So just for the end, it's just a bunch of Marses crashing together. Excuse me. And then we throw a Venus in there before Mars completely evaporates. And what happened to its atmosphere? Oh well. I hope you enjoyed this video about launching a ton of moons at Earth. I didn't do all of the moons in the solar system because that